Thanks for your interest in our topic, the performance and time savings of semi-automated title abstract screening and scoping reviews. Scoping reviews can include heterogeneous documents. This heterogeneity is a major difference between scoping reviews and systematic reviews, whose inclusion criteria are generally more restrictive and whose included articles are generally highly similar. There exist machine learning tools to speed up title abstract screening and systematic reviews. AS Review is one such tool. As a human screener labels individual records as irrelevant or potentially relevant and thus deserving full-text screening, AS Review creates and refines an algorithm to more quickly surface relevant records. In systematic reviews, AS Review is reported to perform well, reducing the screening workload by 83%. But how well such tools perform in the context of scoping reviews, where the relevant articles are heterogeneous, is unknown. We used title abstract screening decision data from 3 large scoping reviews on public health topics. After 10 simulation iterations on each dataset, we measured the tool's performance in terms of work saved over sampling at 95% recall, or WSS at 95, and estimated time savings. At a given project size, higher WSS at 95 means better performance and more time savings. In 30 simulations, WSS at 95 in scoping review context, shown in red on the poster, ranged from 27 to 34%. Given the scale of the scoping review projects we studied, the average number of records to be screened was almost 10,000. This performance, while lower than AS Review's performance in systematic reviews, shown in blue, results in valuable time savings. Predicted time savings ranged from 16 to 28 hours per screener, assuming that screeners need 30 seconds per title abstract screening decision. We also observed that WSS at 95 was lower when a larger proportion of records lacked abstracts, and higher when the screening dataset included abstracts for almost all records. Interest in automation tools and evidence synthesis is increasing. In this pilot study, we have shown that a human-in-the-loop machine learning screening tool can generate time savings, even in the context of scoping reviews where heterogeneous relevant documents are sought. In the future, we would like to test AS Review on additional datasets of labeled title abstract screening data from scoping reviews across disciplines. If you have such a dataset, please get in touch with kate.nyhan@yale.edu. Further research is also needed into the speed of title abstract decisions by screeners and into the acceptability of automation tools. On that note, we add that AS Review is a pleasure to work with excellent documentation. We are grateful to AS Review's developers, as well as the 19 scoping review authors who allowed us to reuse their painstakingly generated title abstract screening decisions, which we estimate to have required about 12 weeks of dedicated work by the screeners. Your diligence inspires us, and we hope that automation tools will make future evidence synthesis projects easier and faster while maintaining rigor.